guys, this is my dahlias from my garden, and they are so gorgeous. These are the last bloom of the year. I have different colors in here. I have like pumpkin color and pink color. They're just beautiful. Then I have the white ones right here. These are dinner plates, most of them. And I have the red one. They're just so pretty. Look at this here. Just so gorgeous. I decided to harvest them and put them in the flower vase before it freezes outside. I love this one right here. Look at that. Actually, my favorite is this one here. This is huge. This is really big, this one here. Huge dinner plate. And look at my finger, my hand, compared to the flower. And here's bud right here. Right there. And I have a whole bunch in here in one flower pot. Flower vase. It looks so pretty. Look at that. And it's so gorgeous. Look at this orange one here. It's like big orange flower. It's a dinner plate right here. Dinner plate dahlia. And this one is another dinner plate. It's like a medium size, but it's so pretty. Look at this one right here. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty, and I love flower. It's so relaxing, and it's like a stress reliever for me actually. Look how pretty this one here is. So gorgeous. And the red one is so pretty. Right here, look at that. So pretty. So I had to go ahead and harvest them before the hard freeze, you know what I mean? Because it's now autumn in here. And it's so gorgeous. Look at this here. Just so pretty. I love this pink one here. Pink one is such a beautiful flower. And it's so big. Look how big this one is. So gorgeous and so big. Just love it. But anyway, these are really easy to grow. I got them. Oh, some of them are years old. And this one I just got this year, this one here. And this one I got it for many years now, this dinner plate dahlia. And this one is new this year for me, the white one. Look how big this one is. It grows different. It's not as like this one here. This one. So this one is like the petals is kind of scraggly. See? Just so pretty. Look at this bud right here. Just gorgeous. So I'm gonna enjoy this for a while. I know it's not gonna last very long, but that's alright because I still love them. I love to wake up in the morning and be able to see this one. It's just totally gorgeous. And it's kind of sad because it's the last harvest of the year, you know. So it's kind of sad, but I won't see them again until next year. But that's alright. I'll see them again next year. So just gorgeous and so beautiful. Look at this one here. And this one. And I love this one here. You know what? It's got this little lavender color at the tip of the petals. This lavender color. It's so pretty. But most of all, I love the pink one. Oh, there's one more right here. It's underneath. Look at that. And there's one more right here underneath. It's leaning. Oh yeah, this one right here. Let me turn it. Oh yeah, I forgot all about this one here. Look how pretty that is. Look at that. It is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. This one right here is gonna open up and it's gonna spread out some more. So this one, when it starts opening and it gets a little bit bigger, but I don't know if it's gonna have a chance to open when it's sitting inside the flower base. And here's another one that's really dark color here. Look how pretty that is. See, you've seen this when I've been videoing the short videos, you know. And here's another one that's oh, what is that? Let's just leave. Oh, let's just leave. Okay, the yellow one right here. So pretty. Look at that yellow, and it's orange in the middle. Just gorgeous. And let me turn it around, that way you can see it. It's just so pretty, and I love it, and I love it. I love dahlias because they bloom all summer long. It starts late spring when they start blooming, and it bloom all summer long. Look how pretty this one here. Look at that. That's a huge flower. See this one right here, they haven't opened yet. So they're not even fully bloomed yet, because this one will open up and it'll be just like this one here. So it hasn't opened yet, and that will have a chance to open while it's in the flower base. I have to change the water all the time, otherwise it's gonna start, you know, it's not as fresh anymore. So every day I have to change the water on this one, and to keep it fresh, you know. Look at this one right here. Wow, look how pretty that is. Oh, I love this one here. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful right here. Well, that's about it, and I hope you like my flower that I harvested and put it in the flower vase. It is so gorgeous, and I wish you're here to enjoy this one. And it's just so beautiful, and I love it. And I, you know, I love plants, and I'll never stop planting while I'm still strong. You know, I will never stop planting. It is one of my favorite thing to do, and it encourages me, and it's a stress reliever for me, and I just love it. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that, so pretty. Look at that. How could this be so beautiful and it doesn't last very long? But you know, it is what it is. So there's nothing I can do but enjoy it now while I can. And I still love him, and I love him very much. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video, and I just want to show it to you. I haven't done it for this summer, and this is the very first video that I made about my dahlias in the flower vase. You know, I never have a chance to do that on my roses, but this one is just amazing. Just love it. Look at that, gorgeous. All right, bye guys. Shout out to all the Pia Milo team. Shout out to all the members, Pia Orchids Garden members USA, and shout out to all the friends out there, all the super viewers. Thank you all so much. Thank you all so much. Have a wonderful day. All right, God bless. Take care. Always careful. Bye now.